Hello guys, welcome to New York, and I'm showing you the side of New Jersey, and in front of me that's New York. It's really nice. You can see all the buildings here in New York just across the Hudson River. I am on the New Jersey side, and across the Hudson River that's the famous Manhattan Island in New York. And look at that. And that's the one of the tallest building where the Twin Towers was collapsed back in 2011, September 11, no, 2000. And over there behind the bushes, that's the Statue of Liberty, but you cannot see it from my side. Okay, thank you guys, and that's the update of New York. It's a beautiful place. Okay, thanks.